I'm gonna, play in this area, but more what I'm gonna look at is when I can get the control here, or you're trying to get some kind of control as well. My age and your age, it's like we can still be effective on the mat, we can still be strong on the mat, but we have to learn how to fortify ourselves and protect ourselves, our body, and also in that, like, maybe not extending our arms too far, our legs too far, or standing up and giving our someone space to get underneath us. It's a lot of that fortified movement that I use in grip fighting, so that I can not move as much and still have a way to like really get in there and put pressure on the person.
When people get distracted, the Upanishad says something like, you got to build up, you just attack the fortress, basically. Like, go for what's essential. Don't get distracted on all this superficial stuff. Fortify your fortress, build it up, and then you won't be, weak. And vice versa, if you are trying to attack someone, don't go for the periphery, go for the fortress, go attack the fortress and stuff. So,
foundation.
Yeah, it's a beautiful metaphor.
So the problem is, you're trying to advance your game, and you don't have a grip.
Right.
I have the grip.
Right, because
Because you're too fixed on locking on his leg.
That instead of
What if I'm this? What if I'm that?
Yeah.
Still no. Yeah. So problem.
Yeah.
Right? It's kind of tough, ain't it?
Yeah, I can't get the cross face like I'd want to get over.
Well, because like when a person is passing your guard, I always feel that they have to have some kind of way to lock onto your head or upper body, to hold themselves there, to pull themselves there. And the hand that's always doing it is, in most cases, is going to be, even if you're pulling a little bit here, you're still going here. Even if you're framed and you're pulling and you're sliding in, you're still going to connect here. Or you're going to go over the shoulder, or hopefully, I try to go at the elbow so I can attack the arm. So this hand needs to be managed. And you shouldn't move until you've managed the grip. I want you just to focus and pay attention on what your body feels like through the process of just being on top and trying to establish the pass, or even just getting comfortable. See that hand is so important. And it doesn't matter like what we're doing, like don't think about, just know that it's always, if I'm on this side, that means the guy is passing this way, I usually grab this end. even if he swings back this way. Okay? Talk about that next, but from here, go ahead, let's just move some things. This idea alone completely changed my perspective on the guard. I was just like, man, this is kind of cool. I don't have to work so hard to keep people on my guard now.